Oh man, this definitely isn't Seattle, that's for sure.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, check out that sunset. Check out this place, it's beautiful here. Just a great way to escape from this big city, that's for sure. Meow! Okay, time to get down to business. Hey, how's it going, everybody?
Hi.
Whoa, check out this place. Anime on the walls?
Yep.
Bleach Schneider family, best group. In recognition of your dedication and talent and for showcasing your skills, open competition at MTAC's 6th period. Wow, that's awesome. Hey everybody, Team S&S here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we are here with the Schneider family who all claim that they are otaku. We are here with Mr. Schneider, Mrs. Schneider, Celine, our AGO candidate, Melissa, Amanda, and Matt.
So I'm guessing it was the case that one person got into anime and just infected the rest of you.
It's more of a thing where they started out liking very young. They would watch the shows, and then they got into manga from the shows. They kind of all got into it together, and as they got a little older, and they just kind of all took it up and started cosplaying and started doing it as a family deal.
It's my sister Amanda's room. Say hi, Amanda. Hello. My room's a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
Think she's got enough on the walls?
No kidding. You got Super Monkey Ball all around.
Yes.
31 volumes of Bleach right here.
Wow.
It's my brother Matthew's room.
More video games than anime.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He's the
In about
gamer.
a 70 to 30 ratio.
70 to 30 ratio.
Gotta have the Metal Gear.
Oh yeah.
You'll hit my parents' room.
Oh hey,
Master
what's
bedroom.
going on?
First
Even
volume,
master
Gintama.
bedroom. Got lots of figures and
Wow.
little knickknacks.
What kind of anime or manga related family events do you guys all go on?
We started with conventions. I mean, my parents would always take us to comic shops and stores that had anime, manga related things, and you'd be like, oh, we got to get this latest manga, please take us out. So we'd do that, and then after a while, we figured out about the whole convention scene and went to one over 10 years ago, and after that, it was kind of, from there, it rolled and escalated to more costumes, more events. We made a lot of friends, and it's just, conventions are a big thing now.
Whoa! Even in the sewing room, there's posters and whatnot.
Well, the sewing room is where the cosplay is made.
Oh, so I guess this
Oh,
is
yeah.
all inspiration.
Yeah,
around
projects, things.
This is where the magic happens.
This is
in
where the
terms of
magic happens for the
costumes.
cosplay.
So, Celine, what makes you America's greatest otaku?
I am America's greatest otaku because when I was 2 weeks old, my mother gave me a Hello Kitty plushie. And from then on out, it was Sailor Moon, and it was the conventions, and not only am I like America's greatest otaku, it is spread through an entire family. And I think that says a heck of a lot.
Holy cannoli!
Holy
Hey, how's it
cannoli.
going? This is anime and manga utopia. Well, how many volumes do you have?
My last count was around 1,000, but I lost count after that.
It's like, wow.
You got figurines,
Yeah.
you got plushies to the nines, that's for sure.
Just like a basket full of Japanese snacks.
It's
Oh, yeah.
Cactuar from Final Fantasy. Wow, oh,
More
more manga?
Video games, Sailor Moon, you name it.
You got so many you can't even put them up vertically.
This is my last bill.
Holy cow! $393.97
In one day.
in one day. Pig Bride Volume 4, Moon
Oh,
Boy,
so-
Four-Eyed Prince, Shiguchara, Cynical Orange, More Moon Boy, 13th Boy Volume 3, 13th Boy Volume 4. Oh, yeah, I would definitely say that you are a great candidate for America's Greatest Otaku.
Thank you.
I mean, you have your whole family involved, you apply it in art, and it's covered your entire house. This is awesome.
I think I've learned a lot from anime and manga simply because it's taught me to be myself. And a lot of people I don't think get that fact, and it's really taught me to be who I am. And I'm very lucky to have a family that supports that and is the same as me in that respect.
So thank you, Celine Schneider and your whole otaku family. Again, we are here in Nashville, Tennessee. Team S&S signing out.